Industrial power, precision engineering, now within your reach. Introducing the Thunder SLM-175, the industrial-grade metal 3D printer for startups, research labs, and in agile enterprises. Powered by a 500-watt fiber laser, it delivers plus or minus 0.05 millimeters precision, transforming even the most complex geometries into reality. With a build volume of diameter 175 by 200 millimeters and a blazing scan speed of 8,000 millimeters per second, the Thunder SLM-175 combined massive capacity with outstanding efficiency. Stainless steel, cobalt chromium, super alloys, from aerospace, medical industry, to tooling and creative manufacturing. One machine, limitless applications. Our intelligent energy control and optimized path planning algorithms elevate efficiency while ensuring stable, repeatable quality in every build. Paired with an intuitive interface and tailored process packages, you can go from digital design to metal part with a single touch. And we're with you every step of the way. From early stage exploration to full-scale industrial production, Thunder Laser is your partner in growth. This is Thunder SLM-175. Compact by design, powerful by nature, your high-value metal 3D printing machines.